About how to properly laundry your suit. How many times you need to laundry your suit in a year, how many times you need to laundry your suit in a month, and what to put in place when you're doing the laundry to your suit. So if you're new here, kindly click on the subscribe button, share with your friends, and stay glued to this page. All right, so I'm going to talk about how to properly laundry your suit. Taking care of your suit is essential to keeping it looking sharp and lasting for years. Here is how to clean your suit. Firstly, I'm going to talk about dry cleaning is key. Unlike regular clothing, suits should never be machine washed. The fabric and the structure can be easily damaged by water and agitation. Always keep your suit to a trusted dry cleaner who specializes in delicate garments. Now, see, you don't have to wash your suit always, and don't ever try to use washing machine to wash your suit because you're going to damage the suit. And also make sure the dry cleaner that you're giving, the laundromat you're giving your suit to, is not using machine to wash your suit, because if he tries to do that, it's going to damage the garment. Now, for those expected small stains, for example, maybe you have a spot, on the suit. Now, spot cleaning is your goal. To use a clean cloth, mild soap and cold water to gently blot the stain. Remember, don't rub. Do not rub like you're rubbing like this. No. By doing that, you can damage the fabrics. Once you're done, let the suit hair dry naturally. Just take it out and dry it naturally. When it comes to wrinkles, steaming is far better than ironing. Steaming is gentler and helps preserve the fabric's texture. Hold the steamer a few inches away and let it steam work its magic. Instead of using pressing iron to just press it on the suit, you are damaging the suit. So it's better get a steamer, put the steamer like an inch away, then you steam it. So it's the steam that is going to do the magic itself. Do not forget to brush your suit regularly. A garment brushed helps remove dust and dirt that can wear down the fabrics over time. Always brush in the downward, like the down part of the suit. Always brush it. Motion to maintain the fabric's integrity. Proper storage is crucial when not in use. Store your suit in a breathable garment bag and hang it on a wide padded hanger. This helps maintain its shape and prevent mildew. And how often should your launder launder your suit? If you wear it occasionally, dry clean it once or twice a year. Avoid unnecessary cleaning. So if you put all things together, you will realize that your suit will last longer. So have a wonderful day.